Monday afternoon. It's about 49 degrees here in Middle Tennessee. What I got going on, as I've been mentioning in some of these videos on the WH60 repair, that I need to do a little bit of work to the rear gang. What I'm going to be doing is changing that blade, that outside blade right there with that used one that I had left over from the front. I still may put new ones on it at a later date. I've already got the axle nut broke loose. Everything's ready to go. I've just got to get the 3020 out and raise the disc up. So we're about to do that. I'm not really going to be saying a whole lot during this video. Just going to kind of let the camera roll while I am just working on it, and I'll edit and cut and trim it to get it to as reasonable time as I can. So, all right, we'll go see if the thing's gonna start so I can raise this disc up. Should. It's on the tractor we farmed with. The thing's got probably 35 years on the engine rebuild, so anyway, it'll warm on up here in a minute. It don't like the cold, as I've said. Let it warm up a couple minutes and we'll get it backed up to the disc and raise it up. Here we go. axle's in real good shape. I just want to measure it just for future reference. I can refer back to this video. 67 1/4. It's just like the front one, which it should have been, I guess. 67 1/4. No go here. Lid cap. Try this safety look. White grease. Of course, you know I'm gonna stop the video to get all this corrected. All right, got everything all put back together. I wound up waiting for my son to get home from school. Had him hold that shaft up kind of level. We worked it all in, got it all taken care of. I didn't want him in the video. He's only 11, so you know, there's been glimpses of him in a couple of my videos, but I didn't want him in the video, and so anyway, we took care of it, and I'm pleased with the blades that I have to work with, and we'll call them finishing blades. They're wore out, but for what I do here, they're gonna work just fine. So got that done, and I just love my third wheel I just put on there. But this disc has come a long ways. I know, you know, hard to make you viewers, you know, but I know where this disc, I know the woods this disc come out of, and it's come a long ways from being tore all to pieces, put in the back of a truck, hauled up here from Louisiana, and me putting it back together. It's turned out good. Next project will be painting it. And I've got some decals ready, and so we'll have that project coming up. Gonna leave the tractor out, hook it up here in a few minutes. It's about to get dark on me. Finish tightening that nut up, hook up. Good possibility I can get home again early tomorrow. I'm gonna disc up this sunflower garden. It's gonna be about 60. I think it's just dry enough I can turn that under. We'll try it. That's gonna about do it. Y'all know the drill. Please comment, subscribe if you'd like to. Hit the like button if you liked the repair. And I will see everyone on the next video. See ya.